So it's nearly 11 o'clock, following day. Long sleep, long day yesterday. So it's a Monday. Shell's making some breakfast. I'm going to have to put the coffee on, just remembered. It's too damn nice out there. Let's go have a look. Jack's up yet. No. Oh, that's more like it. They weren't ripe yesterday, were they?
No.
Had them yesterday, really disappointing because they were just like hard and no juice. Yeah.
That's a bit of I can't remember what it's called now. No, it's not nectarine, it's papaya.
Oh, really?
Papaya.
No, papaya. Nice as well.
It's a bit of that. It's a bit melon. Try more.
Fresh, yes. Definitely. I need to get this going. Nectarine's a bit hard.
That's a bit hard.
Yeah,
I'm gonna need
those
those.
So these I've not used since I used to do these in the... Where did we used to do these? When I was a teenager, so it's South France, but it wasn't. Some of that. Goodness, forgot to empty the dishwasher. I'm used to having a dishwasher. We have a dishwasher. So bright. Never get used to the Canaries, how bright it is. Well, I do when I'm here. The sun's nice and warm, isn't it? It's gone all soggy now. You just woken up?
Yeah.
Get the coffee going, get the coffee going, get this going. Some more of this, it's only like, I think it just cost over, it's like €1.70 or something daft. Breakfast is served.
No. Okay. It's going to be really hot though.
No, it'll be alright, it's drinking temperature. Hello. It's not bad actually, that coffee. You like those people, didn't you? Where are those funny cakes you always bring out?
Jack said not to get any.
No, you just didn't get any. But in hindsight, I said it was a good idea.
It or tea?
Coffee or tea? I'll have cafe.
No what? I don't know what the thing is.
Are you French or Spanish now?
Well, I'm a bit both really.
It's occurred to me, when you look back, you think, what's surrounding the area? Well, you can have a look. Over the hedge here. Hedge? Stand on this volcanic sand. That's what's surrounding. Felt the same last night. Canary Islands, you always find a random bit of wasteland not yet built on. But like Britain, they don't then just fill it with houses within a few months. Look, business as usual.
I'm having
As bad as me.
I'm looking at things that are whatever.
I'm not on the internet.
I'm
still haven't connected to the internet, so
Haven't you?
Like.
On purpose.
on purpose.
What you want, BBC weather?
I'm just typing it in.
Typing it in just for a laugh.
The forecast Lanzarote spot. Oh, it's not come up now.
It's not come up.
Bought some some. Today it reckons it's going to be 27, high 27 today.
Chilly.
And low of 20. 26 tomorrow, 26 on Thursday. It's sun all week until Friday when it's going to be cloudy.
Alright. And then at home it's going to be nice from Friday, isn't it? Thursday, Friday, I think, if I remember.
Yeah.
What time is it? Not I'm obsessed with time. I think it's about 1:30. We've not gone out anyway yet. It is 12:58. Where is everybody? Just got off the phone with Mum on FaceTime. Aha. You're selling a lifestyle. Yeah. It's like you're selling a lifestyle. Where's everybody else?
All gone in for lunch.
Have they?
So,
What book are you reading?
on again.
It's what?
On again.
On Again?
Gone again.
Oh. Julio's just been there.
I've seen it.
Got to meet it. It looks a bit like Malcolm.
Did he give you a little key?
The bizarrest thing. No.
Oh, right, okay. Just
No, he just came to check everything was alright.
That's nice. Isn't
Yeah, it was good. Very hospitable.
it?
Nice guy.
Oh, decent. Alright.
Yeah. What's next?
Uh-huh. What's next? Who knows what's next?
Paul?
Richie's just lying on the bed.
What do you say?
Richie's lying on the bed with his headband on.
Is he? Not in the sun then? Dear.
Do you think he's been round next door then?
Don't know.
I've seen him there.
Look. You can take the saddle up a bit.
Yeah, but it's probably handlebars as well.
Yeah, a little bit.
This one will probably need the saddle arm as well. Yeah.
Saddle taken up.
Keep an eye on this one. Saddle needs to go on this one.
Do you want me to have a look at the saddle?
You know what it's called? Oh, there's a tool there.
I can hear someone approaching. Unless it's somewhere else. Is that one better?
Yeah, this one will be around from here. This is a bit light.
This is a bit what? Is that?
Yeah, so that one will probably be around an inch. Do you want to try that one? There's some tools. I don't know what this tool is.
Is it this one you're thinking of?
Will you sit on that one, see what you think? Sit on it first. Ooh! I had a camera in my hand then, that was very dangerous. That was very dangerous. If you try that one probably be alright for you, Jack, that one, with the basket. That's too high for me.
I've tried it.
Oh, is that alright for you?
It's a little bit late.
Oh.
Just to walk around.
Julio? Julio came round.
Is that his name?
Yes, that is his name. He says, hello, I'm Julio. Dad answered the door. Which is quite surprising. Yeah. Strange. But they're probably too small for me. No, they are. I sat on one. I don't think so. What? Yeah. Probably the other one's probably better, isn't it? Yeah. It's right around in here. Yeah.
Bit ago. It's on macro. It's funny for you than framed up, you know.
So the 2 adult bikes and 2 kids bikes, which means one's not suitable for mum, so me and Jack are just going to pull it out. Here goes. Nice, the pool cam. Yeah.
Wait till you drop camera in pool.
Yeah. Just remind me to put the cover on the back.
Yeah.
Enjoy yourselves and behave yourselves.
Behave yourselves, yeah.
Yeah, careful, remember road safety and what side of the road you're on.
Sound like a seal. Yeah, mine are a bit like that.
Stop.
I wasn't planning on getting up. We'll go. I don't know. I'll decide when I get there. Got my front brake engaged because I don't want to engage it suddenly. Should we go straight down here?
Can do.
Palace. Yeah. It's your first. I'm multitasking here. It's your first try at driving on the wrong side of the road. Look, Natura Palace. That's the one Mum was always on about staying at.
Yeah, we got to see it once, didn't we? I mean, like, we did see it.
I can't remember going round. Oh, I remember it now.
We did see it on the last day of when we had no home.
Yeah. No wonder they do biking in the Canaries. This is awesome, isn't it?
That's not bad.
I'm going to have to pocket the camera in a minute. There's the 10 hotels. Is that the place we went to on the way back from our... It is, we walked to.
Where?
Up here. Ah. Restaurant, Indian restaurant. See why they put gravel at the end of crash sites now. Now I've got shoes full of gravel. Oh, that's just gonna... Yes, I thought he would. That's it now. Ready to go. We've been there. 10 hotels. We stayed further down, yeah, we're going across there. Yeah. Yeah, the gears are not set up properly. To find our villa, our old one. When we took the bins out.
Yeah, I think where it's going.
Well, it's supposed to be straight on, but it's gated now. It's private.
Are you sure this is the right place?
Yeah. Well, pretty sure. We'll go around to the left.
It don't look the same.
No, I'm not sure. No, because I remember doing it in the car. I mean, we could.
It was not on the villa one. We did that in the one that we went to.
Yeah, we didn't. We did do this one though as well. Yeah. That's better. I hit the spot. So I don't think you can make it out there, but the bit we cycled to, our old villa, was now cordoned off into a residential area, so we couldn't actually visit it.
It's possible. Just need a mask.
You plopping in? Just do it. It's not that deep. Just do it,
Yeah,
quick.
it's really shallow there.
I know, but that's the thing.
Well, we go another bit then. What the hell? I think Snorkelman's returned. It's almost like the return of Snorkelman.
Huh?
The return of Snorkelman.
Got one more snorkel.
Call it Mask Man.
Oh, that didn't work. Didn't set itself up right. You waiting for me to fall in or?
No,
Yes.
you can stretch. You can. Stretch. All the training will do you good. You know.
definitely get that on, can you?
Can't, you stretch.
Ow! Did you pass me my towel now?
I'm not passing anything else.
Oh, you've wet all my glasses now, I can't see.
Why did you say ow when it hit the water? Were there lots of mineral ions on the water or something? Was it hard water?
Just give them to my arms and it's hard. Now I can't really see.
Could you pass me my
Ah,
towel?
you've blinded my opponent.
Yeah, you blinded me now. Just a towel to wipe my glasses.
Where's
One of these, any of these.
any of these?
Any of these, yeah. Germans work on. Ah, how can I reach that?
Oh, I can't just reach, stretch.
No.
Go on, you can stretch.
I can't. Get it.
You can. I bet you can. Go on, just a bit more. Oh, just a bit more. Stretch, stretch.
No, that's it. I can't go any further. Jack, can you get
That's a bit half-hearted.
It's on the other side,
I know.
miles away.
You get that. Because you didn't throw it harder. It's your fault in the beginning. Don't chuck it in the pool, will you? Okay. Oh, where's the towel gone?
Over there.
My glasses dry.
Your neck.
Don't. Oh,
Linesman.
linesman.
To be honest.
Yeah, but we'll like. We've got a Lakey now.
Well, you're out.
Yeah.
Caught you out. Linesman. Straightforward. Where's you go for the rally? That hit my hand.
Ah.
You have to go round things. You have to hold it, walk round the pool. It's more interesting.
No, I do what I like.
And then you can walk round.
Normal people do. Can't do any linesman things though. Well, I'm not doing that. He's not that tall.
Whoops. Linesman.
Ooh, well, I'll stop rating the camera. Look, do you have to zoom in on the ball as well? Oh dear.
Hey, it's on the edge.
Yeah, but then you can edit it into like loads of bits where you've hit the ball loads of times.
Make yourself look really good.
Yeah. It's a bit hot on the floor around here.
60 frames, I can slow it down.
Yeah, it's a bit hot on the floor around here though. I have to get back onto the fake grass. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. See even a bit hot on the fake grass, actually.
I burped in the basement earlier. My goodness.
Did it echo?
Belch with a present.
Yeah. Very much.
Yeah, maybe.
There's a sign up for that.
Yeah, there is.
You can hold the camera. I'll put the top down.
Yes.
It's a bit.
Find a way.
Yeah, that's a bit.
It is hot in here. Flipping out. Job's a good one. What the? Saga.
What about Saga all the time?
Let's roll.
Yeah.
Son.
I think that's her gel. Oh yeah, that's her gel. €1.10.
That's the one.
€1.10.
In it goes.
It says kids though. Is that be alright?
In it goes.
Yeah.
Ham, edam, that.
Yeah. Okay.
An important miscellaneous item. Yes.
So that's cubes, but then that's actual sugar. There you go. That's cheaper, but it's bigger. So get that in. I might just get some more.
Put it in.
Alright, look at those.
And chilli, in all fairness. But
Oh. Vegetable.
More ham and tomato.
Or mozzarella.
Weird. There's mozzarella there, yeah. Spinach. Congratulations, New York, you've ruined pizza. I swear they were like the ones you were looking at over there.
Oh, were they?
There we go. Yeah, they're like exactly the same.
Oh.
We just went round to get exactly the same thing. It's because of your obsession with special offers. It could be horrible, but because they're on offer, you will buy them anyway. They're not on offer, Mum. Don't think about it.
But
You can't buy them when they're not on offer.
I know.
However, Mum, flan is on offer. You know you want flan because it's on offer.
Yeah,
C
they're
is
on
for
offer.
cookie. Cookie is for...
C.
Well, yeah, close enough. We come bearing things. Do we need water?
Let's get another one. Oh, the only thing is I forgot to get some water.
Water. Apparently we need more. You went for 5 litres, did you?
Yeah.
You're going to jump in the back?
Yeah.
Someone's at the door. Sardines.
It's after 4 now, so it's siesta, I guess. Or is it the end of siesta? I'm just about to have some lunch. Don't judge. Do you want me to get some drinks?
Yeah, let's drink some power.
He's there. Siestering.
Oh.
He's dead. It's like a stick insect that died.
Is it?
Yeah, judging by that leg. How was rolling?
Oh, I don't want it. You molded me in the set. That's fine. It was like so funny. Where's Jack? Oh, it's there. I decided not to toast them in the end, as the bread was quite nice.
Is the breakfast one?
Quite nice.
Alright. Paprika or
No,
randoms?
the randoms. Got to eat these first. Can't have the good stuff left. Quite like how over there.
Oh, really?
Mm.
Bread is good.
Mm.
Our bread at home, by the way, the Hovis isn't as good as the stuff we had at first.
Yeah.
Camera's still rolling.
If you put beer in wine glasses.
Yeah, why not? Big bulbous glasses, look.
Mm.
Look at that.
Unethical, isn't
Spots for
it?
lunchtime.
Would do, wouldn't it? That must be unethical.
Having a beer.
It's a pretty good one as well.
What's that?
Beer o'clock.
We'll just have some wine by the glass.
It's not wine. It's not wine.
This looks like champagne.
Is it? It's like pop.
Oddly coloured champagne.
Yeah. It's probably a bit dark for champagne.
It's not looking. Well, some things never die.
Yeah, there it is a Simpsons one for the record. I don't know.
Oh, right. At least freshly individual wrap ones.
They were fresh yesterday.
That's not too bad.
What's the other thing you got? Ice cream.
That's a green one.
It's a secret technique. Are you checking the direction of the wind
Yeah.
with an ice lolly?
I'm thinking south by southwest.
Is it really that hard?
Yeah. She's better soft. That's just the amount of things they're saying.
Oh, that's just about right. Look, that made the right noise.
There you go.
There you go.
Expert technique.
Mm.
Sorry, here first.
I was going to say there's a heat haze over Coraleco today. I
Are
reckon.
you going tomorrow on your lilo to come?
Yeah, I reckon we could just make it on a lilo.
Do you?
You see, you can only just see the coast today. Or if we don't make Coraleco, like I said, we can make Los Lobos, couldn't we?
It makes you happy.
You think?
Definitely. Most definitely. But,
Which one do you prefer?
no, not bothered really. I've not been to Los Lobos.
What happened to your beer?
Jack like it.
It's only been. Only put down a minute ago.
Jack drank it.
Only put down a minute ago.
Did you? Got to finish it. Got to get back out in the sun. I've got all day.
No sun, it's going to rain.
No Greenwich. New Greenwich.
Quite impressed you managed that.
shocking.
Managed to avoid hitting me.
About 27 as usual.
Is it? You've left us. Looks like you've left a specimen bottle on the side. Yeah. No.
It is, yeah.
Not fair.
Finally, didn't he?
Oh no, it's slightly off balance. It is full of water there. It's too much like hard work, this one. Too slippery.
That's a bad one.
You good?
Yeah, they've got barbecue stuff. Got charcoal.
Oh, we've got a pool, filling the pool up. Yeah, it really is just a mirror image, isn't it? Actually, it's not a mirror image, it's the same layout.
Yeah, exactly the same.
They haven't got a bar. Why have they got a barbecue down here?
Yeah, the barbecue's mirror.
Oh, look, you're over doing your research.
It's not as spacious inside, apparently. Well, it's not as the furniture's outside.
What's that?
What's that?
The furniture in that one's not so nice.
Yeah, well, it says it. This one's a bit cheaper. This one, for some reason. I don't know if it's a 2-bed as well. I can't remember.
Well, it looks.
Yeah, I think it is. Because there's only 4 sunbeds. So.
Yeah, there are.
What have you got now?
almost a boomerang.
Little Paul boomerang.
I threw it hard enough.
I'm doing a terrible job keeping the shot on it because I'm
You like
looking
the
straight in the sun.
Top Gear presenters with the
Yeah.
animals. Right.
Let me get round this side. Well, that's pretty well. Ready?
It's a boomerang.
Is it? No, it's, oh yes, but we'll see. No, it didn't come back to me. No, boomerang's two-sided.
Maybe it does come back. It's in the air long enough.
Oh, totally missed that.
No, I think it is a frisbee.
Get a little swing on it. I just keep chucking it in the water.
You can get it upside down.
Oh, I'll try it the other way.
Try throwing it the other way.
Straight in the straight in the cactus. Fail.
Go under. Nearly caught it in there.
Oh, don't sink. Yeah, it's not a sinking thing.
It doesn't sink. Thankfully. Let's hope it doesn't anyway.
Okay, so that way.
No. Where did it?
Hey,
Do you think this is
dinner.
Good mum? Are you shouting?
Yeah.
It's just a
bug
bug
in
in his tail.
Nice evening. Yes, again. What are you looking at? Are you looking at what's in the distance?
It's just heat haze, there's nothing there.
No, there is something behind the heat haze.
No. Nothing there.
I think it might be.
It's not.
It's not. Question is, will there be any bars open tonight? We always seem to end up late. Last time around here looking, it was after midnight again. It happens every time. Actually nearly 10:30, so we're not that late. But you just get into the holiday mood, don't you? It's like you get up late, you have breakfast at lunchtime, you have lunch at dinner time, and you have dinner in the evening. So we'll have a look. I do like this place though. This little jaunt of ours. Nostalgic jaunt down here. Chinese restaurant. You always what?
I wondered where Asia was.
No, you know. It's just there. Yeah, don't fall down that. Yeah, I can go here. The old traditional. Last time you came here, Jack, wasn't that long ago, but you were about that high. You're up to your elbow.
I was not that high.
You were. In actual fact, you might have been smaller.
No, we came back more recently. And we ordered the pizza.
Yeah, we did come recently. We did
I
come
was
more
probably
recently.
about that high by that point.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I don't know. Let's have a look back at the old videos.
I don't don't know, maybe I was smaller than I remember.
Yeah, probably.
But it wasn't that long ago. It's when they got all this in.
Do you want to go here for a drink?
It's entirely up to you. That moon's looking nice. Crescent. Seems like we've gone in. Where are we going? Side.
Is it?
Anyway.
I thought you might drink it.
Did you say too large beer? He did. Said it like that, didn't he? He did.
Probably did, yeah.
He did. He did. Said it. Too large beer.
You like beer.
What is it?
It's called Neighbour.
Yeah, so that one apparently is to call waiter. That's that one. That one is to cancel. So you say call the waiter and you were like no. And then the final one, that one, is the infamous
The bill.
asking for the bill. That's real clever. That's useful. I wish all restaurants had that.
Do you want an ice cream?
350 millilitres.
That's 350.
Yes. So is your can that big?
Don't know how big our cans were.
No, we are not. They're 33 centilitres.
330.
330 millilitres.
I can do it again. I'm having a beer. I'm having a beer.
33 centilitres. It's 330 millilitres.
Yeah, I think that's what it was, yeah. Is that what that is?
Yes. I know, it's 350, sorry.
Oh, that's cold on the way down. Feels like. Good. That was a great reaction, that was.
Good. Yeah, good.
Very atmospheric tonight. Need to be in for a drink down there. So, it's the sound of the sea I'm enjoying.
Yeah, I think that's Coraleco over
I think
there.
that's Coraleco.
Yeah.
That's funny.
We think that's Coraleco.
That's Lanzarote.
Yeah, because look, there's the sand dunes.
Yeah, look, you can see it all
I can see. So that's all Coraleco.
We are a bit. We don't want to burst your bubble, but that's the bit you can see here.
Yeah, you can't see it on camera.
That's it.
But you reckon this bit is a bit more.
But we reckon that's probably it.
You reckon that's it? It's
Yeah,
very
I
faint
do.
on the camera, but it's a bit more prominent.
Despite your confidence.
I can't believe it.
People just pile these on top.
Yeah, they're like wish stones, or I don't know what you call them, but yeah, you pile. You can't see very well here. Let me get further. You make wishes, yeah. There's loads of them. There's more where the light doesn't shine. Oh, there's another one, you know. He's ran off.
Stones. You've been conducted in.
Is it the Hollywood Star? Is what I'm going to get? Is a bloody manhole cover. So service entry.
You've been made it.
Yeah, look.
See, funduction for fabulous equala.
Fabulous equations.
Is that what it says?
Yeah, you've been inducted into the Lanzarote Walk of Fame for fabulous equations.
It's my award for paddling over to Coraleco.
Because you didn't
The
make
recognition.
Advance. That's quite common.
So you've got to recall this now because you're coming in mid-sentence.
So coming round the corner, there's a villa on the left-hand side, and it's got a special name, which will be relevant for you. You'll like it.
Relevant for me.
Yeah, there'll be a reason it's got this name, and this will either make your decisions easier or harder.
Oh,
what decision. Well, that's not confusing.
It's villa with views of Fuerteventura. That's what it translates to.
Yeah.
Is it? Is that what Vista means? Villa views Fuerteventura.
So that villa's there, looking there.
Yeah, but which part? The thing is, though, which part of Fuerteventura is it? Is it Coralejo or is it?
Well, that's what I think. That's not there.
Oh, you're going to go down the ramp. Rampo. That's the rampo.
Got a ramp up.
It's all gone dark now. It's all gone dark. Lights on, but there's nobody home. It's a long walk.
Someone at the front door, man.
You back in?
Home sweet home. What have you got now? A foreign hand.
Got some crisps and some wine. By the looks of it, I think.
Don't think it's wine.
Mm.
All you seem to do is drink beer on this holiday.
That's quite nice. That's probably nice. What did we just have at the? What's it? Was that?
No, this
Dorada
is
or
something
something.
else.
It might be.
Looked like Dorada.
What's it down there again?
Mm.
That hits the spot. It's cold, that is.
Yeah, nice.
What time is it? What were we doing this time yesterday?
Oh,
Drinking it.
yeah, we're playing moans, weren't we?
Or on our way back.
We're on the way down. What was the time? It's 12 o'clock. Nearly tomorrow.
Playa Limones. No, we were on our way. We wouldn't have been back by now because we're so. Yesterday was a really long day, wasn't it?
Yeah, we were probably back actually by now. We didn't stay there that long. did we? It was after 11. Maybe 20 past
And
11.
we were walking back at 12 because you were saying we'd been up for 20 hours.
Oh, right,
We
okay.
woke up at 4.
Yeah, we got back just after this time, I
Mhm.
think.
Using the old line, were you? Been up
Maybe
to
we got
20
about
hours.
10 or 15 minutes before. Now. After. Now. Not before.
Lost track now.
After.
Oh, yes! Oh, it's on it. Right.